a food pyramid? A food pyramid is a good indication of what to eat to stay healthy. It is a guide to all of us if you want to stay healthy. Our goal every day is to stay away from diseases or illness, right? That's why we need to eat good food or nutritious food. But what are these nutritious foods I am talking about? Well, this video will tell you about the concept of the food pyramid and the importance of achieving a well-balanced diet and the good nutrition. Well, good foods belong to the 6 food basic groups. The 6 basic food groups are carbohydrates, proteins, healthy fats, fibers, vitamins, and minerals. So if you want to stay healthy, you have to include all foods in your basic food groups. But how much is enough servings to make us healthy? Is it enough to eat one bread every day? Since we do not know how much is enough and too much to be healthy in eating those foods, the food pyramid will help us to understand how much foods do we need to become healthy. You may easily understand that the biggest portion in the pyramid, which is found at the bottom, are carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are starchy food like bread, rice, pasta, potatoes, and cereals. This means that in your plate or in your meal, you must have at least one carb. Well, if you don't have rice, then you have pasta. If you don't have pasta, then you have potato or cereals. What do you think is the reason why carbohydrates have the biggest portion in the pyramid? Once the carbohydrates are consumed, they turn into sugar, which gives the body energy. And it is good to consume carbohydrates throughout the day to provide an instant energy source. That's the reason why carbohydrates have the biggest portion. That's why we need 6 to 11 servings per day. One serving of carbohydrates is equal to 15 grams. Example, one slice of bread is equal to 15 grams. Therefore, one serving is equal to one slice, and so we need 6 to 11 slices of bread every day. The next group is fibers. This include fruits and vegetables. The fruit group needs 2 to 4 servings. Now, the per serving of fruit is different from carbohydrates. Why? Because you can make juices out of fruits. So how much do we need? The equivalent of dried fruit, juices, fresh fruits, or canned fruits are the following. One serving is equal to a quarter cup for dried fruit, 6 ounces of juices or 177 ml or less than a cup, or 1/4 cup for fresh, frozen, or canned fruits. And like fruit group, the vegetable group needs 3 to 5 servings, a little bit higher than the fruits. So the standard serving for vegetable is 75 gram or 1/2 cup per serving. The third group is proteins that include meat, poultry, fish, milk, yogurt, and cheese, dry beans, eggs, and nuts. And it is 2 to 3 servings per day. The nearer to the tip, the less servings it gets. Take a look at your pyramid. But the standard serving size for any variety of meat or fish is 3 ounces or roughly the size of your palm, the palm of your hand, or have you seen a playing cards? The deck of the card is the size of your meat. The last group is the tip of your pyramid. It is the smallest portion, fats, oils, and sweets like candy, cola drinks, chips, and cakes. It is advised that you have to consume this in small amount. Now, if you're asking if, are we gonna weigh our food all the time? Not really. You should bear in mind that too much intake of food is not good. The same as less intake of food is also not beneficial for your health. What are we going to do is eat right food at right amount. Well, have you noticed where are we going to put vitamins and minerals? Well, all the foods in the pyramid have vitamins and minerals. The only thing you must remember that there are different vitamins and minerals present in its food. Example, milk has vitamin D, calcium, and zinc. Also has vitamin A and vitamin B. Now, how are your plate looks like after learning the food pyramid? Take a look. It is 70% carbohydrates. And why the fruits and vegetables belong to carbohydrates? Well, have you remember fibers are carbohydrates? The only difference is they help our bodies to digest food. 20% proteins and fats, and then 10% treats or sweets for you to enjoy your meal. So, if you learn new things today, drop your comments below, share this video, like, and subscribe.